What's up, guys? My name is Los. Welcome to whatever the this is. It's either a channel, it's IGTV, there's some stuff going on. Listen, so I'm gonna show you guys how to go from 7 figures to multiple 7 figures in your coaching, consulting brand, whatever it is that you do. If you're an influencer, speaker, consultant, coach, service provider, it's all the same. At the end, we're all giving a service. If you're doing 6 figures, go back to my video on why you're probably not making 7 figures. It's probably right here. And if you're doing 7 figures, nice. So listen, the big reason that a lot of people stop at 7 figures is because they keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. A lot of times, once you start hitting that 150,000 a month, you're spending some money on ads, you've got some sales page that possibly works, gets you good applications, you've got a good closing process. The immediate thing that I would do, it's what we're doing in our business currently right now, and it's how we're scaling to multiple 7 figures in our coaching company, not our other businesses. We have a lot of other businesses that already do 7 and 8 figures, but our coaching company specifically is service providing company, right? We do anything from do services on ads and stuff like that. We also have accelerators for coaching and different things like that. So if you're watching this video, it'll help both of you kind of understand how to get it to the next step. So you're probably halted right now at like 150 and you're like, I don't know what to do. I try to scale my ads, like, you know, it's not really converting as much. Your page could possibly be gaining some sort of like page fatigue, right? It's the same with ad fatigue. Like, it kind of gets old, it kind of gets stale. You might want to reinvigorate some new life, some new testimonials, some different colors into that page. That's phase 1. The big thing that I want to talk to you about right now is angles. So what are the angles of the people that you're having that conversation with? For example, we do a lot of stuff for people in the health and fitness space. We help a lot of people that want to be influencers or are trainers that want to go online and different things like that. And so we have a page that has gotten us a ton of applications in that aspect, okay? And that's doing really well. To pass that, I know there's a lot of other people that we can help. We have a service division. We do their numbers, we do ads, all these things, more technical business-based things that we support people on. And so we made a program for that, right? It goes to a totally different market. We changed some of the content and made it more for service providers. It's the same content. When you join, you're gonna go through the same 90-day experience, but we changed the angle and we got a whole new version of people coming in that are more consultants, more selling other products online. None in the health space are coming in from that, right? So we opened it up to a new audience, and all we had to do is make some tweaks and basically copy that page but address a different person. Okay, a few changes had to happen on like the pain points and things like that, right? Because these guys aren't trainers or influencers. They're service providers, coaches, consultants, speakers. So we made copy changes to address that. So the simplest way for me to go 7 figures, multi 7 figures is angles. Don't go out and make new offers. Don't go out and do a bunch of new things. Change the angle of your pages to address a different avatar. Work to understand who your avatar is. Don't do a lot at the beginning, but the more you start to add on, the more traffic you're able to buy, the more people will come and apply, more people that you can obviously come in and close into your opportunity, whatever it is, sales, service, consulting, sandwich shop, probably not a sandwich shop. In order for you to scale, one of the best and easiest and simplest things you can do is build out a new angle to your offer. Hit me up on Instagram @LosHustle and stay subscribed here. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos on YouTube about these kinds of topics, how to scale to multiple 7 figures, because honestly, talking about how to just make money online and hit 6 figures is f***ing boring to me because it's something that I just don't do. Like, we're 7, 8 figures out here. I'm not like being conceited about it. It's just I'm super bored talking about like how to just f***ing make it online. It's f***ing annoying. I hope you guys like this. Sorry about the random rant, but I'll see you guys later.